Hi, it's Dr. Epstein. I'm with a very nice patient who's been kind enough to share his results of hairline lowering surgery. He's a gentleman in his early 50s. We were able to lower his hairline. He had a stable hairline, so he was seeking it to be brought down. This is his before photos. It was around 8 centimeters above his nose. You can see it went behind where the forehead ends and then the scalp begins, so it had a little bit of a receded look. And here he is today. And you can see this is where the incision was made, really no scarring. The hairline was brought forward 2 centimeters and it stayed that close, so it's a more youthful looking hairline. You can even see on the sides how nicely it is that it's rounded out. Right. Any comments?
Yeah, no, I just want to say it's truly amazing with Dr. Epstein. It looks truly natural, no scar at all. There was really no pain at all, just a little soreness a couple of days after the procedure, but no pain, and I highly recommend it for gentlemen in the 40s and 50s, the SHA.
Thank you very much. Anyway, that's it, right? This is a result. You're welcome. Patient of surgical hairline and forehead reduction surgery. This is Dr. Epstein. Thank you.